Hi, I'm Tim Cacapola, Coordinator of Study Skills at the Windward School, Middle School campus, and welcome to the Windward Institute's winter course offering, Unpacking the Research and Writing Process, Essential Skills for Academic Success. Within the structured program, students will learn essential executive strategies for enhancing their research and writing skills for future academic success. Over the course of 2 Saturdays, participants will effectively enhance research skills on impactful historical topics, as well as address critical steps involved in composing a research paper. Research fundamentals such as critical reading techniques, note-taking, organizing information, time management, outlining, and identifying the components of building an effective research paper will be covered in the class. When students complete this course, they will know how to apply these useful strategies for research and essay writing to their own in-school assignments. Please visit the Windward Institute's website for registration and more information. I look forward to working with your student.